Cells already helps organizations securely manage, share, and collaborate on documents. But document management is about more than storing files. Teams also need the context around those files, what they mean, what has been decided, what needs to happen next, and a simple way to share that knowledge in one place. And this is where Pages comes in. Pages lets teams create structured and richly formatted pages directly inside Cells, from project documentation and internal knowledge bases to onboarding guides and customer-facing project overviews. So knowledge stays in the same secure environment as the documents themselves, with the same access control, governance, and data ownership. Hi, my name is Hannah Kless, and in this demo, I'll show you how Pages helps teams turn document management into knowledge management, keeping project information organized, easy to share, and fully governed. In this demo, we'll follow different stages of a customer project. First, we'll look at how to use Pages internally to get a structured overview of the project, meeting notes, and next steps, slowly building an internal knowledge base. And then we'll see how to share the right project information with customers in a clear and organized way, and uncover the full potential of Cells by automating updates to keep the project status easy to understand. Let's start with an internal project workspace in Cells. The project documents are already stored here, working files, presentations, and deliverables. And now there's also a project overview page inside the same workspace. This page gives the team one structured place to understand the project. It includes the project summary, next steps, open questions, and previous meeting notes. So instead of searching through folders or asking for latest updates, everyone can open the page and quickly see what matters. The documents are still securely managed inside of Cells, but the page adds the context around them. The team can also create subpages for meeting notes, for example. It includes different editing options and building blocks, like a divider, heading, a table, or a link to files already in the system. This way, teams can create clean and structured documentation, even entire knowledge bases, all within Cells. This way, documentation stays in one secure, centrally governed space, no matter if it's knowledge or files. It becomes structured, easy to find, and reusable across the organization. Now, some information must be shared with the customer. Instead of simply sending a folder with files, I've prepared a customer-facing page with all relevant information at one glance. It outlines the current status, documents shared, next steps, contact information, and a request for some documents that need to be uploaded. And this is where the potential of Cells becomes even more powerful. This is a custom upload page created with SmartForms and automated with Cells Flows. It allows the customer to upload specifically requested documents directly into the project workspace, instead of sending it by email or a separate tool. Once the customer uploads the document, Cells Flows automatically updates the project overview page, changing the status from missing to uploaded. This keeps the project status clear and up to date for everyone involved. And because the workflow is configurable, the same approach can be adapted to many different processes: customer onboardings, audits, procurement, compliance reviews, or any project where documents need to be collected, tracked, or shared. What you've just seen is how Pages adds a knowledge management layer to Cells Enterprise document management. Internally, teams can use Pages to structure project information, meeting notes, decisions, and next steps directly next to their documents. Externally, Pages makes it easier to share structured overviews with customers in a clear and professional way. Now combined with SmartForms and Cells Flows, Pages can support automated workflows that keep project information updated and reduce manual work. The result is one secure place for files and knowledge, helping teams stay organized, save time, and keep projects easier to understand. With Pages, teams do not need to move project knowledge into external tools. They can build, manage, and share knowledge directly where their documents are already stored, inside the same secure and governed environment. If you'd like to learn more about Wire Cells, contact us at wire.com.